Okay, I'm gonna make a house with the paper cutting, and I cut some shapes, different shapes from different color. Okay, at first দেখো এরকম একটা ব্লু পেপার নিয়ে আমরা এখানে হাউসের বেসটা এখানে পেস্ট করলাম। কেমন, এটা হচ্ছে রেক্টেঙ্গেল শেপ, এটা হাউসের বেস। এরপর now we're going to take square paper and apply some glue on it. Okay, and stuck here. This is our house, and now we're gonna take a triangle shape. Okay, and apply some, put some glue on it. And put it on the house. This is our rope. Okay, that's it. This is a house with the different shapes and colorful paper cutting. Now you can draw some door, one door and windows if you want. This is the door, and we can put 2 windows here if you want. Okay, our house complete.